Hello class 8. I am teaching you the chapter number 4, that is endocrine system. Now your chapter is over. Today I'll do the all the exercises with you. I'll tell you each and every answer to you of the exercises. Now be careful in the exercise. Okay. Now number 1 is fill in the blanks. First is deficiency of causes diabetes. So here you will write deficiency of insulin causes diabetes. Okay. Now second, adrenaline is called a stress hormone. Okay. Now third, testes secrete testosterone. Testosterone testosterone in males. Okay, so this is a hormone and this hormone is released by the testis. Okay, in males. Okay, now parathyroid, parathyroid, parathyroid hormone regulate the calcium and phosphorus in the body. Last one is pituitary, pituitary, pituitary gland is called master gland in human body. Okay, now true and false. First one is thyroxine hormone causes cretinism in early growing stage. It is true. Pancreas releases emergency hormone, that is adrenaline hormone. So this is a false. This hormones are released by the adrenal gland by the kidney. So pancreas releases emergency hormone, that is epinephrine. Okay. Now third one is parathyroid glands regulates calcium and phosphorus balance in the body. So this is true. Now glucagon lowers blood sugar level. So this is false. Glucagon क्या करता है? Glucagon increases the glucose level in the blood. That is why glucagon increases the blood sugar level. But here this is wrong. Insulin lowers the blood sugar level. So it is a false. Now come on the next topic, that is a match the following. Here you can see this progesterone. Progesterone is a female hormone, so it will match with the S. Testosterone is a male hormone, so it is match with the P. Estrogen is released by the ovary, so estrogen will be matched with the ovary. And last one is endocrine gland. Endocrine glands are ductless glands, so endocrine glands does not have the ducts. Okay, now third column. So this column and this column will be matched together. So progesterone, this one, no, this column 2 and column 3 will be matched together. Okay, now so male hormone causes the growth of facial hair. So male hormone causes the growth of the facial hair in the males. Okay, now ductless glands releases their secretion directly into the blood stream. So ductless glands are the endocrine gland, and endocrine gland releases their secretion directly into the blood stream. Now this one, ovary causes the growth of the breast. Okay, so ovary releases the hormone which causes the growth of the breast in female. Now female hormones are estrogen and progesterone, and these female hormones are helping in the maintenance of the pregnancy. So estrogen and progesterone are the female hormone, and these are helpful in the maintenance of the pregnancy. So match the columns are finished. Now give one word for the following. Flight or fight hormone are adrenaline or epinephrine. Okay, now chemical messenger in our body, what they do, they regulate metabolic activity inside the body. Okay, now glands with the duct are known as a exocrine gland. So exocrine glands are having ducts, okay, and glands without duct are known as endocrine gland. Now it lowers the level of the glucose in the blood, that is insulin. So insulin always lowers the level of the glucose in the blood, and it raises the level of the glucose in the blood, that is glucagon. So always glucagon raises का मतलब होता है increase करना, okay. So glucagon always increases or raises the level of the glucose in the blood. So this exercise is completed from my side. You have to write down in your notebook, and question answer you have to do your own. If you have any problem, then call me or message me. I will give you the answer. So this much you have to write down in your notebook, and in my next video I will come back with a very new topic or very new chapter I will start. Till then, prepare it, write it down in your notebook. Thank you.